So we got this situation. So look at this function. You know that you can integrate this function, but you will struggle over here. Correct now? Means here you will apply, you have solved this question. Integration of ln dx. Okay. Means you will use uh, integration by parts. Okay. But here you will struggle. So how we will approach this question? Just try to understand over here. So suppose that this is your first function. Okay. So if you will differentiate, do you think you can make this function? No. If you will differentiate ln x, you will end up making 1 by x. But look at this function. If you will take that as z, so ln x square. Okay. So this is not ln x square. It is ln whole square. Okay. This is the idea. So you got your function. Now do the differentiation. So dz by dx equals, first we will differentiate the power. So 2 times ln x and then 1 by x. So look at this. If you will differentiate, you can have this as the differentiation. But you need x on the denominator. So can we multiply and divide by x? Means the function will be ln x whole square plus x times 2 ln x upon x and then dx. So can I say that this is the function, this is the differentiation of the function, and this is x associated with it. So directly we can do the integration by writing x times f of x. So ln x whole square plus integration constant c. So we got our required result. I hope you got the idea and you can handle similar situations. Okay.